Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to download and install the Sony Vegas Pro 14 software. So friends, for this we are going to open our browser and then we are going to use the link. Friends, the link which I have already provided in the description below. You can copy this link and you will have to open this. So friends, now you will see this window. So here it is the download option. So you have to click onto this, so your downloading will be start. So friends, it will take 10 to 20 minutes. So after this your downloading will be download. So friends, now we have already downloaded this software. So now we are going to install this. So friends, now you have seen that it is a zip file. So first of all, we are going to execute this file. So I will execute this file onto my desktop and make a folder. So here I have execute this zip file. So now it will also take the 1 to 2 minutes. After that your file will be executed. Now friends, after this we are going to open this link, open this folder, and then we are going to download the Sony Vegas Pro. Friends, it is not a trial version. We have a patch and it means like that we are going to install it for lifetime. So now we are going to open this link and I will click onto the yes. So it will be download. I will click onto the next. Click onto the I have read the end user license agreement. Click onto the next. Install. So friends, now it will not take the time, it will be downloaded earlier. So now friends, as you've seen, our downloading has been successfully installed. So now I will click onto the finish option and then we are going to open our software. So friends, as you've seen, I will click onto the software. So friends, it gives me the trial version. So now I'm going to exit this program and I will again open this folder and here I will use the patch. So friends, when you will download this, so after this you will be not allowed for a trial version. So now you will click onto this option. So now it will also take some time. After that your downloading has been successfully installed for lifetime. So now we are going to again open our software. So friends, as you've seen that it has a license which name is team.vr.ukr.net. So friends, it is a correct method for downloading the Sony Vegas Pro. So now it will be open. So now it will be open. So friends, as you've seen that we have successfully downloaded and installed the Sony Vegas Pro 14. So friends, in this video we have learned how to download and install the Sony Vegas Pro. Friends, if you have got the information by watching this video, so please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Keep supporting.